So my great-grandfather started Leitelt Brothers in 1908, came to Chicago and started his own foundry.
I'm third generation. I started working here in 1975. Once I graduated, I started working full-time.
And now my brother and I are here. We got to continue that legacy and that hard-working mentality.
There's been two brothers here since 1908. It's in our blood. When you call us, you're always talking to a Leitelt, somebody in the family.
When you're talking about sand castings, there have been technological improvements and everything, but in the end, you're still putting sand against the pattern and pouring metal into that mold.
We pour 3 primary aluminums, 319, 535 L-mags, and 356. We pour a variety of different brasses and bronzes.
The no-bake line is very important to us, and we're pretty darn good at it. And we get probably around 60 to 80 molds a day.
We're a job shop, so I mean, really, we service it all. We have our hands in every industry.
Globally, it's gotten more competitive, and you need to reach customers that might not know you exist.
We wanted to expand. We were a regional company. With our work with OuterBox, we've become a national company.
Leitelt Brothers has been working with us since 2010.
Well, they've done our SEO program. We've done 3 different developments with the website over time. I mean, we saw results pretty much immediately, actually.
They came to us knowing that they needed a company who understood different metals, who understood the difference between investment casting and sand casting.
Industrial marketing, it's a niche in itself, and they were very capable.
356 aluminum is one of the alloys that they pour. That can also be known as A356. At one point, we were only optimizing for 356 sand castings or 356 aluminum sand castings. And when we added that A, it brought us up in the rankings and got us in front of a lot more people who were looking for 356 pourings. A simple 1-letter change did change the audience that we were able to get them in front of.
One of the things that we value most about our partnership with OuterBox is the trust that we've developed over time.
We have tremendous respect for how long they've been in business, for the type of work that they're doing for their customers. And they reciprocate that in having that same respect for the expertise that we're able to bring to them.
I definitely would recommend OuterBox. That help us dial in the correct customer base.
Definitely, I recommend OuterBox, and I have, and I will continue to do so because of the great work they've done for us and the success we've had with working with them.